Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on developer mode on Android. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down and locate the about phone of the Android phone you are using. Click on it. Then locate build number or software information and click on it. Under software information, locate build number, click on it like 7 times. And on the 7th time, you'll be prompted to type in your phone code or PIN. Go ahead and type in the code and click on continue. Then you should say allow development settings. Click on OK. Now go back to the main settings page and scroll down. Under about phone, you should say developer options enabled. And then you can now go ahead and navigate through to reconfigure your Android phone. And then you are good. So that is basically how to turn on or enable developer options on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.